I'm going to go ahead and put our ground beef into our skillet, and I'm going to brown it and drain it. This is going to be quick and easy. All right, here we go. Okay, I'm going to let this brown cook all the way through, and then we'll get rolling. While our meat is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and get these kidney beans into the pot because I want these to be really, really tender. I like using dark red. All right, here we go. I want to show you on the back of the can. It really gives you a really quick and easy recipe. I'm going to follow some of the directions, but not all of them. I'm going to leave this juice in here because this helps thicken the sauce. So it's on the stove now and it's cooking, and our meat is almost done. Next, we're going to season up this meat and add some vegetables. Take a look and see how these beans are getting so thick. Yes, I'm letting them cook because I want them to be soft and tender. Excellent. I drained the meat, and now I'm going to start adding the seasonings to the meat and the vegetables. So far, we have our beans. The juice has really cooked down and it's thickened up, and the beans have gotten really tender. The meat is ready. Now I'm getting ready to cook our vegetables. Now in here I have green bell pepper and onion. I'm also going to add garlic, and I'm going to let this cook. Moving on to the next step. All right, now I'm going to add some seasonings. I like to use this chili mix because it has a lot of good flavor in it. This meat is hot. It's cooking, so you probably will hear it. I also like to add this beef bouillon flavor. I'm going to put all the ingredients in the bottom so you can see. I like to add cinnamon. It gives it a little kick. You'd be surprised and say, what is that in there? Let's put some cumin in here. It gives it a really good smoky flavor. Gotta put the onion powder and garlic powder. Look at how our beans have thickened up. This is looking so good. Okay, I'm going to mix this up. Oh, one more thing, y'all. While this is cooking, I'm going to add a little water, so that will increase the flavor. Off camera, I'm going to add a dash of sugar, and I will be right back. I've just added our vegetables to the beans, and now I'm going to add the seasoned meat to our pot. Next, I'm going to add this can of diced tomatoes to our pot. They're beautiful, so with every bite, you're going to get a bite of these beautiful chunky tomatoes. Okay, let me show you what I'm going to do next. All right, everything is coming together quickly. I just added this whole can of tomato paste, and now, surprise, I'm going to add this spaghetti sauce to our chili. Now I'm going to gradually add this throughout the day as it cooks. because it depends on how thick it becomes. I'm also going to add one more package of this chili seasoning. Now this is going to cook while I stir. It's going to be on low for about the next hour, maybe hour and a half. It depends. But right now it's all coming together. I'm going to show you what it looks like shortly. Okay, I want you to take a look at the chili. It's all done. You can see the big chunks of tomato, the tender kidney beans, and the green bell pepper, onions, and garlic. Now, at the last minute, I added mild taco seasoning. This gives it an extra kick. I used 2 of these, oops, and turned out pretty good. I also made some rice. All right, you all, I'm gonna put this together and oh my goodness, I'm sorry, plate it up for you. Hey, thank you for watching. I love you guys. Peace and love. You all also made some cornbread as a side to go along with the chili. Good.